Those of you who know me well know I like to work in really lovely bright colours, particularly for the children's quilts. And I raided my stash recently to make this little quilt, which I think is called Worms. Now, what little boy wouldn't love to have worms? So it's made up, I'm going to share with you the component parts because it could be as big or as little as you like. And it is made up of three very simple components. I've thought it would be nice to have a checker border here, but then I found this fabric. So I just cut the fabric and I think it works a treat. I put a little single border on here just to float the worms, and I am going to put some eyes in when I get round to doing the quilting. And I think, again, the quilting would probably be either in the, I suspect, Echo quilt in the grey, just to hold each other.